da amiga minha mãe.
Life is wonderful. Life is pretty. This is when I'm truly happy, like this. And I have a brownie on the oven and it will come out crunchy and warmy the way I like it. Like, I'm so happy. And I'm alone at my house, so it's a great day. And I've just came from the beach. Like, it's a beautiful day. You can see that I'm bronzed, a little bronzed. Yes, I just took a shower, I took a nap, and now I'm eating my lemon. And I'll be having my brownie right after. The world is perfect.
Discriminação.
Eram duas vezes mais divertido.
What is you guys, vocês dois, favorite food? Pasta? You like pasta?
Yes.
What's your favorite pasta sauce?
I don't know.
Pasta sauce?
A tática dela é chamar dois intolerantes pra comer.
Filho da amiga minha mãe.
Life is wonderful. Life is pretty. I was remembering when a guy hit it on me, and what I usually do when a guy hits on me and I have no like intention of going forward and I'm not attracted to them, I always play the crazy one. I started to like tell my problems and my traumas to them, and they run away. Usually it is what I expect. It did not start it as a strategy or a technique, but it started as I got too nervous when a guy hit it on me and I didn't know how to like ditch him in a polite way, without being rude. So I just started to talk about my traumas, and then he got scared and thought I was crazy and just never talked to me again. So yeah, so like observing his response, I started to do that always. Like every single time I'd be like, oh, because like I take like black like medicine and stuff like that, and I have depression and anxiety, and my mom hates me and I'm so unhappy and stuff like that. And then they always go like, too much problem, too much stuff to handle, no thank you, and they run away. I remember once I was in a Uber and then he was like, hey, yes, inside the Uber. It was like the most agonizing 15 minutes of my life. I was actually deeply scared. And he was like, hey, I wanted to get to know you and everything like that. I was like, no, I can't have too much trauma, like my dad, and I have to rebound with him, and my psychiatrist said I cannot get involved in a relationship right now. Life is too crazy. No, thanks. Like, I can't. And he's like, no, Like, I can fix you and everything like that. He was the only person the only man that ever reacted in a different way. But it always works out. It's amazing. It always do. This Uber is the only exception.
De vlog. Hein, amiga, você precisa gravar isso?
Eu vou gravar. I'm going to record it. Bora. Vai, Lud.